Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm standing in front of my certified pre-owned vehicle pick of the week, the 2017 Buick Regal. Apple Chevrolet is offering all of its customers over $1,200 in savings towards this specific vehicle. This vehicle only has 33,531 miles. It is a front-wheel drive vehicle that comes with a 2.0-liter four-cylinder turbocharged engine. This vehicle has never been in any accidents and comes with 18-inch polished aluminum wheels. Now, when we get in this vehicle, you can see that it does have jet black seating throughout the entire vehicle. We do have a jet black leather center console that flips up. You do have cup holders right here. Then when it comes to the front of the vehicle, you have a touchscreen audio system, connects to Bluetooth to make calls, and you do also have your standard cruise control. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you guys have a great day.